Ask God for help. When we ask God for help in our lives, what are we really asking for? Do we ask God to move mountains in our lives? Or perhaps, do we ask God for the strength and courage to pick up a shovel so we can start to dig? What if asking God for help simply meant asking for the ability to make a couple of tiny changes in our lives? Tiny changes that would make a huge positive difference. Let's consider the power of this idea by looking at the 1 degree difference. Imagine an airplane being off course by just 1 little degree. For every 50 miles that plane flies, it will be 1 full mile off course. If you flew from New York to Hawaii and you were off course by just 1 degree, you would miss the island by 100 miles. In our hearts, we all know why the little things are so important. It's because eventually, all of the little things become great big things. Our little choices, both good and bad, turn into big habits that eventually form the heart of our character. Jesus talked about this very same concept when he told this parable. The kingdom of heaven is like a mustard seed which a man planted in his field. Though it is the smallest of all the seeds, it grows to become a giant tree. So, how do we harness the power of the little things? The easiest way is to choose 1 little thing that you can do right now that will make a positive difference in your life or someone else's life. When you search your heart, you'll know what your 1 little thing needs to be. It might be as simple as a love note, a hug, or a phone call. You know what to do. Ask God for help and then make a decision to act on it. When you improve 1 little thing at a time, it will make a great big difference for you.